Hello my amazing people. Today let's quickly make this beautiful brown soda soap using soda ash and just a few simple ingredients. I'll be using the semi-hot process, a method you can easily do right at home. If you ever wonder how to achieve this kind of result, strong, foamy and good looking, then stay with me and let's get started sharp. First thing first, here is my 500 ml of bleach palm oil. Already I've added color to my bleach palm oil, and here is caustic soda and soda ash. Then I'll be using 500 ml of clean water also. Here's my mold. You can use any mold of your choice. Whatever you see around, you can use it as mold. And also, if you want to make it commercial, you can get a mold for your brand. So I have bleach palm oil, I have 500 ml of bleach palm oil, 500 ml of clean water. Out of 500 ml of clean water, I divided it into two. Then 250 ml, I added my caustic soda into it. Whenever you are dealing with caustic soda, always protect yourself. As you know, caustic soda is highly corrosive, especially for our beginners. This is a kind of soap that you can make at home, at comfort of your home, with all these little ingredients you can see around. Especially during this holiday, you can make it for your family, friends, use it as gift. And the second water you are seeing me adding my soda ash into is already warm water. I warm it to the extent of making it hot, at least, because we are making use of semi-hot process. Here is my 500 ml bleach palm oil. I'm adding my fragrance into it. Fragrance, I add 15 ml to it. The full ingredients and the measurement will be dropping before the end of the video. Try and watch the video to the end. Already I've added color to my bleach palm oil. You can use any color of your choice, but I added brown color. You can decide to use green, black, any color of your choice. Here is my bleach palm oil. Now I've added my light solution and my soda ash solution to it. Why you did not see me while adding it is, I put off my camera to allow the light solution to cool down. But when I wanted to add it into my bleach palm oil, I didn't remember to on it again. So I've already added my bleach palm and my light solution into my bleach palm oil and soda ash before I remember that I have to put on my camera. So sorry for that. Light solution 250 ml and soda ash solution 250 ml are the two ingredients I added to my bleach palm oil. I added light solution first and I mix it before adding my soda ash solution. So after stirring it for a while, what you see me adding again is my sodium silicate. Sodium silicate, I added just 15 ml also, and as I added it to it and I continue stirring it. Sodium silicate will help your soap come out strong. And you see, at the end of the day, you will see the soap shining, very beautiful, and it will give you a glossy look. It will make it to be shining. So it's also optional. If you don't have sodium silicate, your soap will still be strong and it will still come out fine. But you can add sodium silicate into it. But in absence of sodium silicate, you can still make a strong and beautiful soda soap. Then I continue stirring it. If you take a look at it, you will see that it's getting thick. It's getting thicker. So that is, it's ready to go into mold. But one thing, make sure you stir it together very well before adding it into the mold. Now I've started adding my soap butter into the mold. As I said, you can use any mold of your choice, but if you are selling it, maybe you want to start selling it, you can get a brand or a shape of particular plastic mold for your mold, so you will know that whenever you make your soda soap, it will always come out with that shape. So if anyone see it, they will know and recognize your brand quickly, that this is so brand soap. And even with that, it will help your customer to be familiar to the particular mold that you are using to produce your soap. So I'm adding all my butter into my plastic mold. You can see, don't forget we use 500 ml of bleach palm oil, warm bleach palm oil, and 500 ml of clean water. This type of soap is highly profitable. You can see the outcome of the soap. You can see what we get at the end of the day. Then after adding it into the mold, then you allow it to stay for at least 24 hours. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also hit the subscribe button. Few hours later, our soap is ready to unmold. Very strong. Look at it. This is not up to 12 hours. So I just come back to check on it, and I see that the soap has come out beautifully. You can see. Just take a look at it. It's strong, firm, and beautiful. Now I want to unmold all the soap. You can do this on your own. You can do it at home. You can do it for commercial purpose. You can do it to maybe give friends, neighbors, families. It's just something that you can, the kind of joy you have at the end of production. Like, this is my handwork. This is what I can do. Even giving it to people and telling them I made it myself is something of joy. So just try it at home, especially as we are in this season of gifts, season of love. You can give family member, in-laws, and so on. So it's very simple to make. And all these ingredients, you can get it where they say soap ingredients, where you buy your liquid soap ingredients. You can get it as well. Just caustic soda and soda ash. And it's very cheap. At the end of the day, you will not spend maybe more than 1,000 naira before you be able to achieve all this kind of soap. And now we want to test maybe the foam, maybe the soap is foaming. You can see it's very strong. So now let's test the foamy ability of the soap. It slithers very well. You can see it foam well. This is a kind of simple soap ingredient, and you can use the method as a bar soap, not only soda soap. You can use it as bar soap. Hope you see it foams very well. And when you take a look at the soap, you will see that it's not melting. To tell you, it's long lasting. And here are the complete ingredients of the soap. You can screenshot it, you can write it out to practice it on your own. I hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. If so, kindly like, comment, and share this video. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.